We'll take you from the ancient city of Xi'an to a hidden gem in the mountains. Guanshan Grassland awaits your discovery. A short 3-hour drive through mountain roads leads you to this tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of Xi'an. Or hop on a high-speed train to Baoji, followed by a scenic bus ride through charming villages to the grassland's doorstep. Guanshan Grassland, nestled in the Qinling Mountains, offers expansive views of green plains and majestic rolling hills. In spring and summer, the grassland blooms into a colorful paradise of wildflowers, a must-see for nature lovers. Roam alongside herds of horse, a hallmark of this vast grassland, celebrated for nomadic culture and equestrian tradition. Experience grassland's beauty on horseback, best way to explore wide open plains stretching as far as the eye can see. Stay in traditional Tibetan-style tents or yurts for a one-of-a-kind experience, blending culture with natural splendor. As the sun sets, Guanshan Grassland glows with a golden light, creating a peaceful and magical scene. Join local festivals celebrating nomadic life, with vibrant performances of traditional music and dance filling the air. For thrill seekers, paragliding offers a breathtaking view of Guanshan's expansive terrain from above. After a day of adventure, indulge in Mongolian-style barbecue, a savory taste of local flavors cooked over an open fire. With its stunning landscapes and rich culture, Guanshan Grassland promises an unforgettable journey of discovery. Thanks for traveling with us to Guanshan Grassland. Like and subscribe for more incredible journeys across China.